Welcome back to the farm. Good morning. It is the tail end of December. It's cold outside, cold here in the shop. I don't have heat in the shop, but I received as a Christmas gift this bench drill press, and we'll unbox and assemble that in this video. Many times I find that I need more than just my drill. It would be handy to have a drill press to be specific in drilling holes. So you'll hear some additional noise of the chickens, the cows. I fed the cows, let the sheep out of the barn. But let's go ahead and get started. This thing is covered in Cosmoline. So I didn't want to open it up in the house. So it comes with a work light. There's the top drill plate. Oh, they made it so you can tilt it one way or the other. Here are the handles. It rotates the head down. Here is the chuck. Bolts, nuts, screws. The chuck key. And we'll set this aside. Okay. They pack that in the Cosmoline to keep it from rusting. Ensuring all parts are thoroughly clean, dry, and burr-free. Place the chuck with its open jaws on the piece of scrap wood directly under the spindle. Use the feed handle to gently lower the spindle so it is just entering the opening in the top of the chuck. examining the chuck from all sides to be sure that it's properly aligned with the spindle. Using the feed handles, insert the spindle all the way in the chuck, pressing the chuck nose hard against the piece of scrap wood on the table to secure the chuck into place. Alrighty then. Now what I'm sitting on are this top crate. It's the metal crate that my Woodland Mills, the trailer came in, and then on the bottom was the rest of the sawmill. My intentions are to make some kind of working bench for this and moving it over to the sawmill side shed out of my shop in here, and where we'll have all the woodworking equipment and stuff with the sawmill at the far end. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a pulley system, and it's to change the speeds, how fast you want the drill to operate, and then the drill guide is right here in the cap, telling you the spindle speed belt settings. Here's an example of scrap wood, and I was trying freehanding to drill the whole center on this, and the drill bit kept going at an angle. You can see the grains of the wood right there, and that's where I mentioned to one of the family members, I said, it should be nice to have a drill press to help keep stuff steady to where I could make a straight hole. Compression fit. Let me get you a little bit closer. So here on the side is a built-in depth gauge that you can adjust these to know when to stop. That's a pretty cool feature. So let's plug this in and let's turn it on. Let's take a look at it. There's the light switch. I don't know if you can see that or not. Here's the light switch. It says remove to lock. I don't know if I'll ever use that, but Well, there you have it. It is a Central Machinery 5-speed bench drill press, and I will take and bolt this down on top of the workbench to use it, complete with the light. And for small pieces of stuff that need to be drilled, this will be real handy. Coming to the end of 2020, Happy New Year to everyone watching, and stay tuned for more what's happening here on the farm, and appreciate you watching. Thank you.